This pattern is multiples of 5 plus 4 additional chains. So once you have the chains, you skip 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet stitch. Now chain 5, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet, and repeat chain 5, skip 4, and single crochet. Repeat to the end. At the end of this row, we chain 2 and make a single crochet into this stitch. Second row, chain 5, turn your work. We'll work 4 double crochet into this space. Chain 2 and 4 double crochet into the same space. Make a single crochet into this space, and now work 4 double crochet into the next space. Chain 2 and work 4 double crochet into the same space. We repeat single crochet into the space and go with 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet, finish the row, chain 3 to finish the row, and a single crochet into the stitch. Now chain 4, turn your work, and we'll go with double crochet, 3 double crochet into the first, 1 into first, 1 double crochet into the second, and 1 double crochet into the third, and we will not go with the next one. Now chain 2, so we keep that, we do not make a double crochet into the last one. Chain 2, make a single crochet, chain 2. We skip the first one, but go with the double crochet into the next double crochet and make 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. Yarn over, we'll go into the next. Those are 4 double crochet, and we go into the first and make 1, 2, and 3 double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the space, chain 2, skip this and go into the next 1, 2 and 3, and repeat we now repeat. I finished the row with a double crochet stitch into this space. Next row, chain 5, turn your work and we'll crochet single crochet into this space, chain 5, single crochet into that space, chain 5, we skip this and single crochet into this space, chain 5, so we repeat and we will go with single crochet into that space, 3, 4, 5, single crochet here, chain 5, and we skip single crochet into the space and continue to finish this row. To finish, chain 5 and go into the space with single crochet. My next row will be same as second row, chain 5, turn your work, we'll skip this, we'll go with 4 double crochet, with chain 2 and 4 double crochet. Single crochet into the space, 4 double crochet, and repeat, and again this is same as second row, and the pattern repeats. Chain 2, 4 double crochet, single crochet. Okay, I have crocheted a few additional rows and just wanted to have a darker background so you could see the pattern better. Very, very nice. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Take care.